All right, YouTube, what's up? So we got here a 2013 or 2014 Chevy Malibu. Either way, it's going to be the same process on how to remove this strut assembly on this car. So this method can be used for the front passenger side and the front driver's side as well, okay? So what we're going to be doing first is we're going to get a 24 millimeter, hit this bolt up here, take it off. Next up, we're going to come back down here, and at this brake assembly right here, if you follow the brake line all the way up to right here, we're going to spray that area with some WD-40, get a flathead, and we're going to pry it up on this, and that's going to allow this brake line to become free from the strut assembly. What I like to do is I like to get my flathead right on the brake caliper and then get right here, and then as I'm applying pressure up on it, I use my free hand and I come to the back over here of the hose with my free hand and pull up on it as well. Next thing we're going to be touching is this guy right here, their end link bolt. So this is going to be a 18 millimeter. So we're going to get our socket, our impact, and we're going to hit that real quick. The bolt is actually spinning with the nut. So what we're going to be doing is getting a T40, and we're going to get an 18 millimeter socket, hold it in place, and we're going to go ahead and get this guy out. All right, guys, once you have that end link bolt off, you're going to go ahead and come down here, and we're going to go ahead and hit this guy with an 18 millimeter on both sides. And we're gonna get these two bolts out, 1 and 2. What I like using is this wrench right here, this closed-in wrench, and it's easy to hold just like that. So we're gonna hit it and not impact these bolts off real quick, and then we'll be able to drop the whole assembly. Get the nuts off, so we're gonna go ahead and use a mallet, and we're gonna go ahead and hit these bolts out. Now we have the bolts out and the end link is off, so this whole strut assembly can come out. So what I did to hold it in place was just I put back on the nut just slightly just to hold it down. So what I'm going to do now is take off this nut and this whole assembly will be able to come out. All right, so we got our new strut assembly. So pretty much at this point everything is reverse install. All right, so I want to make a quick note to you guys that I did find it easier to do to put in the end link by jacking up this side. The reason being is because the end link on this side is putting tension on that end link on that side. So that makes it easier to put in the end link back where it goes. When it comes to putting the hub and bringing it back up to the strut assembly, I also found out that jacking up the arm back here was the easiest thing to do to get it up in place and put the bolts in. All right, guys, so as you can see, everything's in place, ready to get tightened up. So we're gonna tighten up these bolts real quick, and that's it. All right, guys, and just like that, we are done replacing our strut assembly on this 2013, 2014 Chevy Malibu. We're gonna put the wheels back on, get her rolling, test drive her, and that's it. That's a wrap. Leave a like down below, subscribe to the channel, guys. Thank you guys for being here and watching this video. Peace out.